First to market innovation, that's Melling. Hey, today we got two new delete kits. These kits cover 6.2 liter GM LT engines. First kit we've got here is MDK 700 HPT2. This kit includes a billet steel camshaft, OE quality lifters, lifter guides, camshaft thrust plate and VVT bolt, as well as an HP Tuners RTD device. The device comes preloaded with the credits, also comes preloaded with the unlock code. So on these particular applications, this kit's for the E90 global AECMs. ECM's got to be unlocked, so the unlock's built into this as well as the base tune file. You'll have to remove your ECM, send it into HP Tuners. All that's built into the cost of the kit. Next in the MDK line, we've got MDK 700-HPT3. All the kit components on this remain the same with the exception of the programmer. This kit is designed to be used with ECM's E90 Global B. So device comes preloaded with 8 credits, unlock codes included. So again, you're good to go, just like the other kit. Everything's there and built in. If you're looking for delete kits for your GM, LS, or LT engines, make sure you check Melling out.